Hi everyone. I had to delete the other one because I press a button and it disappears. So now you missed her opening the package here with the scissors. So yeah, that's what happened. I freaking pressed the wrong button. So let's begin all over again. Go put those right there. Relax. I'm doing this on my lap because I can't seem to sit down, to bend down or anything. Let's just take out everything that is inside this box. Hold the box while I take out everything. Here's some. She has sent me some gifts, I see. Wonder what's inside here. Here's something else. Oh, look. She sent quite some. Damn, she sent me a whole bunch of things. Oh, wow, look at this.
And I have no idea what. Okay, that's it.
That's it?
Yes, there's
okay,
no
nothing
more.
else inside the box, okay?
Even though
Oh
I
my
wish that there
goodness.
was more. Ooh, let's do
Oh
these.
my, she
wanna
sent
do
me a
these.
whole bunch of different things in here. I forgot what was her name. Wait a second. Her name is Amy Robbins. Phoebe's Forest. Phoebe's Forest
Oh my God, guys.
or Phoebe's Forest, something like that. I follow her on Instagram, and these are things she she make them. She makes them. Oh, those so cute. Oh my.
I want one, Mommy. I want
Those
one.
are really pretty.
I have no idea.
Look, she made this herself.
Do not.
Wait
earrings.
1 second.
There's earrings.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God, I just fell in over that.
So she made this. This is very pretty. It's a necklace.
Yes, so awesome. It's so pretty. I fell in love with it.
And where's the cover for this one? And where's the little piece of paper that it came with? Okay. That's that one she sent me. Oh, was that in there?
Yes, that was in here.
Oh, no. Okay, this one is chasmized wood with opal inlay, purple shimmers, stainless steel parts. That's what she got here. There's the name. I believe you could look her up on Instagram. And these are my gifts that she gave me.
And these are earrings, guys.
There it is. That's her Etsy store. And that's how you could find her on Instagram. So her name is Amy Robbins.
Like Robert, but actually Robin.
And look, she made these really pretty, wow,
I fell in love with them.
real corn caps. Look at how cute is that.
Earrings. I fell in love
Oh
with
my
them.
God.
Fell in love with the necklace. Fell in love with the earrings.
Those are really cute.
First, then I thought that there were two earrings, like two necklaces.
So you could find her here. Put this to the side because I'll show it again.
Oh, you are so pretty.
I guess this is how she has her box and well protected and everything. So yeah, I can go and check her out. Oh my goodness, let's see what else she has sent me.
I fell in love with you.
Look what she sent here. Oh wow.
Ooh,
look at this. It's look at how cute. Let me see, read the back. Chasmized branch slice, stainless steel, and hemp cord. Okay, so she also makes them this way too. And that's very beautiful. That is really pretty. I like that. I really like that. This is a beautiful, very beautiful. You want to open this one?
Yes. I'm just gonna take off like the necklace or like the paper as well.
You leave the paper in there.
Okay.
Good.
Whoa.
Look at this one.
I love this necklace.
This is so pretty.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, look at how pretty.
Those are awesome, Army.
Oh, I
It
love
would be
this.
that I'm a
This is
jewelry
beautiful.
girl because I am. I love jewelry.
She said that I can use it. Um, I can give it to gifts for whoever if I wanted to. Put that one back inside
Okay,
there.
I love them,
Oh
Army.
my God. Now those are very pretty. Wow. This goes with
Ooh, the big
this.
one.
Take out that other necklace out of there. Let's see what she got in here.
This one's different.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe she did this.
This one don't got a paper.
It's okay. Oh, so I won't know what that one is, right?
No, you won't.
Oh no, I'm not gonna know the name of that one. But it's probably the same thing. Just my branch. It could be the same. Did we just seen this one?
Yes, we saw that one.
Yeah, I think it's the same. Chest what?
Testament, whatever.
Look at how pretty. Is that not pretty or what?
What's? Yeah.
I love this. This is really beautiful. I love this. Put this back inside there. I don't know which one this one goes to because it feels like something else is inside there.
Yeah, something's in
I
there.
just don't know what is in there.
Here, let me open it for you.
Go ahead, open it up.
And then I'll open up the paper as well.
Oh, it's probably a note for me. Let me see.
A note?
Probably. I don't know. Yes, it is.
Oh my god,
Oh, that is really pretty. Happy to have met you, Amy. That's beautiful. Hi, Olga. Hope you love these wood treasures from our forest. There are some glowing acorn, or they are same glowing acorn, or some glowing acorn. And when I hate when I can't read. I mean, read. I can't read. See what word is that? Cap earrings in the bottom. They just have to charge in the daylight for a few hours for a good glow. Hugs from Callie. Oh, sweetie, that is so awesome. Look. She said it glows. Okay? So I have to charge it. The earring and the acorn, the ones that I already showed you. Now, does that say same or some? Because I can't freaking see it. I think it's same. Or there are same or some or whatever. I can't see.
cards?
And she sent me these beautiful pictures. What it says there, Angeles Oak, California, San Bernardino National Forest. I hope I'm reading that right because I can't see if that's a G. I think it's a G. I can't see it. Okay, I cannot see, but I think it's a G. Angeles Oak. This is very pretty. She sent me this. What else she sent?
And this
There was another
different.
picture. Here's another picture. Nice pictures. I'm gonna take these pictures and put them in my resin. I'm saving them. That's pretty. And of course, here's a card again. Go check her out. Go to her Instagram, visit her eBay, Etsy store. So this is what she gave me with everything. Did we already seen this? Yes,
Yeah.
we did. Yes,
We're
we
gonna see
did.
this one next.
And these are for my resin. She said I could use it in my Chasmai's root burl. Chasmai's root burl for resin. She gave me these for I can use them for my resin. Oh, very pretty. I'm in love. Look at how beautiful.
Do you want me to open it, Mike?
You know, it's awesome how fire burns wood and everything, the trees and everything. The fire does these most amazing things, you know. The bad thing about it is, oh my goodness, what fire can do, you know, because it can also kill you, and it can also burn your homes. That's how come people loses their home. So that's the sad part. The only good thing about the fire is how beautiful it is, and the most beautiful things it does to the wood and trees and everything. That's my root burl for resin. This is beautiful. Oh, this is so beautiful. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
there's another one.
Oh, I'm in love. I didn't even bother open them up to look at them.
There's, so
Look
there's
at that. Look at another one. Is there a note? My root burl. This one is my root burl.
I think that is soda.
Open that one.
Oops.
It's okay, Mama. Go ahead. You can open it like that.
Oh my god. Wow!
Look at that. Oh,
Are
Lord.
they statue data?
Look at this beauty.
Oh my god. That's way bigger.
Oh my God. This
Those
would
ones are
be.
small.
Oh
That
my
one's
God. I
bigger.
love. Just. You know what? Just looking at it is so beautiful. I'm in love. Oh my God. Look at that. How beautiful it looks. She said I could use it in a coaster if I wanted. Whatever project I plan to do. I am so in love with this.
Oh my.
Oh, I'm in love. This is what I call beauty.
This what guys. So I know how to read. Well, I know how to read that bird.
So oh wow. I love this. This is gorgeous. I love how this looks. So that's my root burl also. And maybe you should open the other one.
Which one?
If I could just show it to them. Open it. I would like to show them the front and the back.
Okay.
You could take them one by one if you like.
Yes, that's what I'm
So
gonna
like
do.
that, they could go in the same bag
Okay.
for when it's time for me to use it again.
They're so soft.
Look at this. Oh, it's
Oh my God.
beautiful.
It's so soft.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my Lord. I'm in love. You can leave the paper in there.
Okay.
Look at how beautiful this is. Oh, this is beautiful.
I think that's it.
I'm in love. Put that back inside there.
Okay, Mommy.
That's also just my.
Okay, you want me to take that one out as well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I could show both ways.
Hold on. I'm gonna leave that like that, so
Okay.
you can know what's what.
Look at this beautiful one. I could use this one in one of my square ones. I'm in love with them, just the way they look, just like that. Just wow. This is amazing. This is wow. Oh, I'm in love. So this is what she has sent me.
Yeah, some is tough.
I forgot where's her name again. Which is beautiful. Amy Robbins. Oh, I know she's not gonna watch this video, but I just want to say thank you so much to her for sending me all this. The most beautiful gift I ever received. This is amazing. I can't wait to see when I charge the other stuff that she gave me, the necklace and the earrings.
Yeah,
To see it glow.
I like
But
this toast.
wow, this is gonna be awesome.
I passed the earrings. Those are perfect.
This is amazing. I'm in love. I am truly in love. This is gonna be for when I do my pores. So
those are
yeah.
perfect Robbins.
Thank you everyone for watching this video.
Give us a big thumbs up to see all of our future videos like this. Bye everyone.
I am in love with this. Wow.
Shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds. Bye everyone. I'll see you in my next video.
Thank you so much, Amy. And yes, I'm glad to have met you and everything. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you, sweetie. I get to cherish all this that she sent me. That's amazing.